Text Hobby.
Have you ever wanted to hide files right under someone's nose? With this digital parlor trick, you can hide a folder in plain sight on your Windows 10 desktop. To perform this feat, you create a folder with an invisible name and no icon. To get started, right-click an empty spot on your desktop, click New, and then select Folder. The folder appears on-screen with New Folder highlighted so you can rename it. When you rename the folder, press and hold Alt as you type 255 on the numeric keypad, and then press Enter. Note that you must type the numbers on a numeric keypad, not the number keys at the top of your keyboard. What you're doing is typing a special character that isn't on the keyboard with an ASCII character code. This names the folder with an invisible, non-breaking space character that won't appear in Windows Explorer. Now that the name is invisible, we'll take care of the icon. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Click the Customize tab, and then click Change Icon in the Folder Icons section. In the Change Icon for Folder window, scroll to the right, select the invisible icon, and then click OK. Click OK again to close the Properties window and voila! Your folder icon has vanished. You can still find the folder on your desktop if you drag your mouse pointer over a large area to select multiple icons. Otherwise, it remains invisible. The folder will also be invisible in File Explorer and will stay that way, even with contents inside it. Explorer usually shows a preview of files within a folder in its icon. If you want to hide multiple folders at once on your desktop, repeat the process above, but press Alt+255 more than once to type multiple invisible characters. Two folders can't have the same name, so the second one will need two blank spaces. You can repeat the same pattern with 3 or more folders, just increase the number of invisible spaces in the folder name each time.
Text Hobby. Hit like and subscribe.